Hey guys, as you can see, it's very rainy. It was very raining today and stuff. So rainy, man. So unbelievably rainy. Oh god. And thankfully, the holidays has just begun. That means it's only a couple more days until Christmas. Yay! Yay! Also, you may realize that I'm wearing this very cool koala hat to keep my head warm. Also, I also have like this very cool like doll thingy where what you do is like I got one now. See those circle thingies? Just like that, those little circle thingies right there. So you're trying to like push both of these buttons, and you need to like get in those like little teeth thingies. Pretty cool. Yeah, I'm just watching some TV as well. This is very cool. And all that stuff. Well, today is just so rainy. It's unbelievable. Man. Basically, what I've done is I've just been watching like YouTube videos and all that. Oh, there's Aquaman. Oh, dude, jeez. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, cool. But yeah, today's been a pretty busy day. Just relaxing, chilling, playing Roblox, Minecraft, watching YouTube videos, of course, and stuff. I've uploaded like 4 other videos. You guys can check that on out. And I'm gonna end the video now. Make sure you like, subscribe, like, turn that notification bell on so you never miss one of our videos. You hear me? So you never miss one of our videos. And see you dudes.